Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best septic tank-safe toilet paper on the market, Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper. If you're looking for a product that's gentle on your plumbing, eco-friendly, and designed specifically for challenging environments like RVs and boats, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper comes in a bulk pack of 48 double rolls, with each roll containing 231 sheets. It's a one-ply paper, but don't let that fool you. It's engineered with clog-free technology to dissolve quickly and avoid those frustrating plumbing issues. This is especially important if you have a low-flow toilet, septic system, or mobile restroom setup where standard toilet paper can cause clogs. One of the standout features of this toilet paper is how fast it breaks down. Scott claims it dissolves up to 10 times faster than leading brands, which means you can flush with confidence without worrying about blockages or costly repairs. This rapid dissolving ability also makes it ideal for boats, campers, and RVs where plumbing systems are often more delicate. From a sustainability perspective, Scott is committed to responsibly sourced fibers. The tissue is made with Forest Stewardship Council certified materials, ensuring that the environmental impact is minimized. On top of that, the packaging is recyclable, which is a great bonus for anyone conscious about reducing waste. In terms of performance, even though it's a single ply, it offers reliable absorbency and strength, balancing comfort and durability. It's also designed to be septic safe, so it won't harm your septic system, making it a smart choice for those with on-site wastewater treatment. The dimensions of the pack are practical for storage. The entire set weighs about a pound and measures roughly 18 by 18 by 16 inches. It's manufactured by Kimberly-Clark in the USA, a trusted name in personal care products, which gives an added layer of confidence in quality. If you use an RV, boat, or just want to be sure your septic system stays clog-free, Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper is designed with you in mind. It provides a good balance between cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and plumbing-friendly features. Buying in bulk also makes it budget-friendly for long-term use. So, whether you're prepping for a road trip, outfitting a boat, or simply want a toilet paper that's easy on your pipes and the environment, Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.